Hi, Naomi Burton the Brush here. I am so excited to tell you guys that I have now become a consultant for senegence. I have been using the products probably for a good year or so now. I absolutely love them. And I decided to join the company because it is an amazing opportunity for me to share with you products that I love. We are very busy in this life. So much is demanded of the modern day woman. We don't have time to keep refreshing our face. So literally, I absolutely love this stuff. I put on my lipstick at 9 a.m. Nothing moves. As you can see, you drink nice and clear, nothing transfers. My face will stay on literally for 18 hours, sometimes even longer, guys. I put on my makeup at like 9 a.m. I don't get home till 1:30 in the morning, as some of you know, and I walk in my house with a full face, which is nice to see my honey after a long day, still feeling pretty. So I am just super excited to share everything with you guys, but I wanted to just do this quick little welcome video to show you guys a little bit about Lipsense and senegence, and we have hundreds of colors. When I tell you, this will literally change everything as far as your beauty. Skincare is amazing. They have this senegence Seneplex complex that is absolutely incredible. It goes deep, 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 deep into your skin to rebuild your cellular walls and push out your best face forward. Um, I also want to let you guys know that a lot of the top girls in this company, well, a few of them are putting together this amazing Galentine's Day event. And what it is, it's going to be a 3-day party of girls' night out, like teaching you how to put your best face for Valentine's Day, picking the best outfit, learning about skincare, learning about our product line that we have. They will give away $1,000 worth of prizes. I'm gonna send it out, the link, and message you guys and message some of you ladies privately. But it is going to be a great event. I'm also going to post the schedule that we have planned for the day so that then you could see, oh, maybe I want to check out what's going on Saturday at 9 a.m. or what's going on tomorrow at 3 p.m. It's going to be super fun. You can party in your pajamas and just chill out and learn with us and party with us and have fun. Invite all of your friends. I can't wait to see you there. Take care. Bye bye.